Damn, look who it is. Pull up. Damn, they look dope. So my homie Carlos here just came through. This is his 1999 GSX. What you got done to it, bro?
You know, just a couple things here and there, you know. Pretty much engine-wise, not too much, but exterior, you know, what you can see, you know, the hood, rims, Brembos. I got the trunk, the wing, the rear lip. But that's pretty much it. I mean, just, I guess what you would call basic stuff that a lot of the DSMers are gonna put on their car, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, that's pretty much it so far for now.
Cool. This thing's clean. He's actually one of the first DSMers I knew, like in like 2012. So like we go way back, and our cars were way different back then, but it's changed a lot, especially his. We're gonna be doing a lot of install videos on his car. As you can tell, he's missing the side skirts, front lip. He has some carbon goodies, but he just got it back from paint. But they look good together. But yeah, so on the last video, I pretty much went to San Diego to Carbonetics to get some parts. And I had him come over to help me pretty much get the hood down from the car over here. I need some help. So yeah, we're about to take it down. We're gonna do some test fitting and let's see how it fits. Got it, let's go. All right, so if you guys can't tell what it is by now, I don't know what to say. It says right here, it's the AB version 2, just came out. I didn't go full carbon because I ain't going to be painting it. I went with a hybrid version, which is with carbon vents, and then the rest is FRP. So yeah, let's unpack it, see how it looks. Alright, so as you guys can see here, it's carbon vents and the rest is FRP. So this is going to get getting painted silver so it matches the car. If you guys actually know some painters in the IE that are really good, good with pricing and all that stuff, write it down in the comments, let me know, because I really don't know anyone and I need to get it done as soon as possible so I can get on the car. So yeah, let me know. I'm about to pull out the car, and because we need more room, so I'm gonna pull it out.
gotta take that cap off.
Alright, so first thing we do, we take out these 4 bolts here. There's 2 here, 2 here, and the hood comes right off.
Pretty easy.
So 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on that side. Are you holding it?
Yeah, but you're probably gonna have to hold your
Yeah,
side.
so I'm gonna leave it there. You wanna do that side? Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna put it in the water.
Yeah, let's just put it right here. Doesn't matter. Alright, let's get the other one. It's dope like that, huh?
This thing's light like a feather.
It is compared to that one. You wanna go first?
Yeah. Alright, so be careful. Yeah, be careful on that corner so you don't break it. Alright, I got mine somewhat in already.
We're good. Okay. It's actually a good fit, man. Alright,
Let me see it.
let's close it real quick. Well, it doesn't have to be tight. Yeah, just take out the ratchet. Oof.
It's already never gonna break it.
Damn. Check this out, guys. Look at this thing. This thing looks dope.
It looks nice and black.
It does look nice, but people were telling me to go full carbon, but I kind of like the whole carbon on paint accent that it has going on. So yeah, I might end up getting this painted and then leaving this in carbon. Damn. Damn. Thing's crazy. Alright, so I also got this other part from Carbonetics. I already opened it, but it's their brand new 95 to 99 OEM style carbon fiber shift knob. Feels really sturdy. I'm not sure if it's weighted or not. I didn't really ask Sergio, but it's made of really high quality, so pretty pumped about it. So let's put it on real quick. There you go. Feels good. I'm gonna compare both the V2 versus the V1. So the new one basically has this line right here. They come with bigger vents, and they actually clear the timing cover on this side. I'm gonna show you the version 1 hood, which is right here. So he had to cut a piece of the hood here just to clear the timing cover. The vents are a little smaller and there's no line right here. I'm guessing fitment's a little better too.
Way better.
Yeah, but we're still gonna have to tweak it a little bit. But you can see both the cars now with the AB hoods, version 1 and version 2. The car looks super beefy, and we just gotta paint it now. Yeah, it looks real good. But yeah, so huge shout out to Carbonetics. Great parts as always. It's worth the wait. I know a lot of you guys don't like to wait, but it's worth it. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.